Known as the indestructible phone, the Nokia 3310 was the first phone of many. HMD Global, its new parent, re-released the 3310 after 17 years in its modern avatar. But its time had passed. However, in this video, we'll tell you top 5 things that you didn't know about the Nokia 3310. So let's get started. Big on battery. Modern day smartphones, despite having 5000 milliampere hours of battery in them, still struggle to last a day. However, back in the day, and even by today's standards, the battery on the Nokia 3310 was awe-inspiring. The 3310 was capable of 55 hours of talk time, that's more than 2 solid days, and a 245 hours standby time, which is an astounding 10 days. Talk about some stamina, eh? Number 2, super fast boot time. An average smartphone in the 21st century takes about 20 seconds to boot up on an average, till the point from switch off to an app that you can use. But the Nokia 3310 has a crazy boot time of just 8 seconds where you could switch on the phone and start playing Snake on it. Number 3, Nokia 3310, the Snake Charmer. Snake, which was a popular game in the 90s, is officially one of the most played games ever, securing a Guinness World Record in 2010 after achieving over 1 billion players. This is by far the biggest game of all time. The legend of Snake is all thanks to the popularity of the Nokia 3310. Number 4, the Nokia 3310 sold more than the iPhone. When the iPhone went on sale, it sold about 25 million units. However, when Nokia 3310 went on sale, it sold 400 times more than the iPhone at a whopping 126 million units. Number 5, big on Messenger. Well, Nokia 3310 in a way revolutionized the character limit for sending an SMS. Back in the day, it had a character limit of 459, which is 3 times more than today's standard. However, think about it. Today's character limit on a messenger is about 160. And we're talking SMSs over here. So what were your favorite picks of the top 5 things that you didn't know about the Nokia 3310? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like the video, press that like button. And of course, don't forget to share it with your friends who want to know some crazy facts about the Nokia 3310. We'll see you on this channel. But for that, you'll have to press that subscribe button and also press that bell icon.